This is printed board of Microtech inverter. There are two heat sinks for mounting MOSFETs. There are 5 holes for 5 MOSFETs, out of which 4 MOSFETs are connected, 3 are removed. This is square wave inverter. Here battery negative terminal is connected. There are 4 resistances. These are called shunt resistances. Here there are 2 fuses of 40 ampere. One is removed. Two relays, one for changeover and another for battery charging. Cover of changeover relay is removed. Here there are 4 terminals: input line, output line, fuse blown and neutral. When mains come, here are 2 resistances for main sense. Phase and neutral comes here. Then 6 diodes to make a diode bridge to give output to 4N35 optocoupler. There are two 4N35 optocouplers. Here there are terminals for battery charging and inverter output. 125 for battery charging, here neutral. Here 200 volts output from inverter. On the back side, this is battery negative. Shunt resistances, source line 1 and 2. Positive terminal of the battery goes to the center tape 909 transformer, which is 230 by 909, 230 volt and 125 volts winding on primary and second 909. It works in 2 ways. In charging mode, 125 volts goes to transformer primary and secondary is 125 volt. Here is one BT140 trike or 2 SCRs can be connected here. Heat sink 3 and 4. Here is one microcontroller IC LM324. This transistor is for driving this bath relays. When battery is connected, these 2 relays get on by default. Here is one additional terminal for battery connection to give 12 volt to this motherboard, from which here is one 7805. Input terminal 12 volt, output 5 volt is given to microcontroller and some other circuits. Switch off terminal, when this terminal is short by switch, inverter goes off. Here is one UPS inverter selection switch, two presets, 1 kilo ohm and 2 kilo ohm for low cut and high cut. Here is one buzzer which is disconnected, below which one transistor is seen, BC546, which is used to give supply to buzzer. When some faults come, the buzzer beeps. Here two diode position are given, D3 and DI4 and D14 and D13. Here D13 is seen. These are fast recovery diodes. One resistance from 12 volt to other circuits. 4 transistors for gate pulses. First terminal of the MOSFET is gate, second drain and third source. All the drains are connected at one side and all the sources are connected on source line. When MOSFET of heatsink once get on, MOSFETs of heatsink 2 are switched off. When MOSFETs of heatsink 2 are switched on, MOSFETs of heatsink 1 are switched off. Gate pulse are given in this inverter by pin number 27 and 28. Pin number 20 VCC, pin number at ground. Here one crystal for generating high frequency oscillation. Here two incandescent lamps of series test lamp were connected in place of buzzer to check if there is some fault. Beep of the buzzer is not very good for when inverter is to be tested. Here are many resistances to divide, as used as a divider from 5 volt to 1.7 to 1.4 volt to give gate pulses, base pulses to buzzer, relay driving transistor. Here is one LM555 IC to give pulses to driver transformer. This driver transformer is used to drive BT 140 trike. Here some capacitors. Surge suppression, one MOV which gets short when voltage about 280 volts goes. I will give practicals on each circuit step by step. Please see my next videos. Thank you for visiting and watching videos. Thank you.